Hey you, yes you, over there. Come and watch my videos. Like and subscribe, come on, it's free. Who cares if it doesn't cost any money? But then dislike, yes it does cost money. Unsub, yes it does cost money. 'Cause I will find you and I will take all of your money away. So, just sub to me and everything will be okay. Smile happy. Whoop whoop. Hey guys, and yeah, I've got some cards to packs. What am I on about? Packs to open. So yeah, they're good packs. Don't worry. I got 6 LMT Super Packs and 6 Team of the Season and Foot Champs packs. So yeah, they're good. And this could be Ousmane Dembele, no, isn't it? So yeah, TT. Oh, Kazawa, that's a good card. High odds of special, whatever. Alexis Sanchez, 87. No, just some 3 more cards. Oh, it's a Team of the Week. No. Oh, what's that card? I don't know why I'm like, it's a card that no one cares about, but it's a special card, so that means it's a really good card. I'm joking. G's Mertens. Yeah. Gold Elite Pack. Ooh, a Team of the Week. Peru Farfan. I could open one of these and see what happens. No. I'm probably just going to skip these ones because they're probably not going to be good. So yeah, I'm just going to open these ones and then, skip them all. Oh, Hamsik. New card. I don't know why I'm so like, oh my gosh, it's a new card. I have a really good team now. Even though it's like a 60 rated player. It's, yeah. Let's skip these cards because, I'm just going to skip them all. Because they might have a good player in them. Like, hopefully they're going to have a good player in them. No. Skippity, skippity, skip. I've just realised I've got 5 million coins. Edison. LMT Super Pack. Here we go. These are the good packs. Why did I say that? I jinxed it. Hernandez. Oh man, that's a new one. Oh, it's actually a good card. But the good card is one that no one knows. Oh, it's Donnarumma. That's good. 89. Don't mind an 89 rated card. So yeah, let's open another empty super pack. Team of the Season, not a good one. It's just an 86 rated. Oh, I got a Foot Champs card as well. It's decent. Oh, this is a good one. It might not be though. I think I've jinxed it. It's Lee Griffiths. 80. No, it's actually not even Lee Griffiths. It's James Forrest. And why am I getting so many Foot Champs cards? Oh. Christian Eriksen. Yep. 88. Oh, I didn't know I didn't have him. And Quincy Promes. Yeah, at least one special card, that's good. This is a bad one. No. Tots and Foot Champs. Here are the good packs, the Foot Champs is better. Oh man, that's a bit of a disappointment. Argentinian. Icardi. 88 rated. Amrabat. Why are the Foot Champs always better? I want the team of the season to be better, because then you could get like a team of the season Messi. But that's probably never gonna happen, so yeah. But still. Da Costa. Foot Champs. The Foot Champs is better again. And it's not like the Foot Champs is actually a really good card, it's just that whatever. See what I mean? Oh, Godin, 90? 91. But I already have him. So he's useless, I'm joking. He'll be a good duplicate, actually. The Foot Champs is better again, for goodness sake. Polish. Szczesny. 87 Szczesny. This team of the season will be bad. No, it isn't. It's only Finally, the team of the season is better. That took forever. Argentinian Racing Club. I didn't get excited because I knew it wasn't gonna be Messi. 91 Lopez. And João Cancelo is the Foot Champs. There's some decent. Oh no, I give up. Oh man, I actually give up. Immobile. I actually, this team of the season card is going to be absolutely rubbish. 88 Immobile. 87 Alve. No, it isn't. It's Aud. Maybe that's probably wrong, but whatever. Now these are the bad ones. These are really bad, like, packs. So get out of this video now. If you don't want to die of pain of watching this. Oh man, I've got some bad cards. Oh, this is probably just going to be another bad card, isn't it? Told you. I thought it was going to be all black. It's Handanovic. Well, why do you think it's all black? I'm so dumb, sorry. Never mind. Get out of this video now, please, if you don't want to die. Oh, Icon. It's probably going to be a bad one. Brazilian. It's not going to be Pele. I know it. It's not going to be Pele. I told you it wasn't going to be Pele. I definitely knew it wasn't going to be Pele at all. 100%. Oh man. Anyway, that was not fun. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this was a terrible pack opening. See you later. Bye. Hernandez, come on.